So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And NVIDIA has released PersonaPlex 7v1 V1, that is a duplex audio model. That means it can listen and speak at the same time. Also, it can take personas too. So you can make it speak like a pilot, you can make it speak like a math teacher and whatnot. The model is open source. And let's first of all see a few demonstrations before we jump on the details of the model. So this is the official page that the team has released. NVIDIA PersonaPlex, natural conversational AI with any role and voice. So let's listen to this example first.
Hey, you want to hear a funny joke?
Yes.
Okay, I haven't even said it yet, but
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, it's going to be really funny when I actually say the joke.
Okay.
So, why did the picture go to prison?
To get away from the mirror.
No, because it was framed.
Oh. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any more? I've got one more for you.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. What do you call a fake noodle?
A fake noodle? I don't
I
know.
mean pasta.
Okay, nice. I
Yeah.
like that one.
This is crazy quality. If you notice, NVIDIA has killed it. I think it's almost real time, and it is also able to take a persona. They've given some more examples also. For example, you are a wise and friendly teacher, answer questions or provide advice in a clear and engaging way.
I've been thinking about starting a diet. Yeah, starting a diet can feel a bit daunting, but you could keep it simple. Focus on eating more veggies and fruits.
Before I forget, I signed up for a marathon.
All right, congrats on signing up for the marathon. That's a big challenge. You've got a lot of time. Focus on building a solid base with regular.
And if you listen, it is able to answer like a wise and friendly teacher. Now, looking at the consumer service banking, this is a very important use case. And if you look at the details, it is also providing a prompt how it should act. What is the scenario?
I'm stuck here in line at Home Depot. I've got a bunch of tools that I'm trying to buy, and my card got declined. Can you?
Oh no, that's never fun. Let me check your account. Can I get your full name and date of birth, please?
Yeah, my name is James Hammer, and my date of birth is March 7, 1952.
Thanks, James. Let me pull that up real quick. One moment, please.
Take
Okay,
your
so I
time.
see the issue. There was a transaction for $1,200 at Home Depot. Your usual location is Seattle, but the
This is just amazing if you look at the quality. Medical office reception. You work for Dr. Jones' medical office and you're receiving calls to record information for a new patient.
Welcome to Dr. Jones's office. How can I help you today?
Howdy, my name's James Carrollton, and I was told to call this number to register as a new patient.
Oh, yes, absolutely. We're happy to have you register. First, I'll need to get your basic information. May I have your full name, please?
Yeah, it's just James Carrollton. That's
Amazing quality. Space emergency scenario. You enjoy having good conversation, have a technical discussion on fixing a reactor core on a spaceship to Mars. Oh, this is amazing. I think NVIDIA has released something bang on.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi,
How's
I'm
it going?
Alec.
Hi, nice to
Well,
meet
the situation, yeah, it's bad. I mean, the reactor is actually melting.
Oh,
And
wow.
we got a lot of systems going down.
Okay.
So we really need to fix this.
Okay, all right. So,
You can't make out this is a any day you can't make it out. It is also able to give it a name and multiple information has been given. So I think NVIDIA has come up with a bang and PersonaPlex looks to be a game-changing model and audio scenario. Now let's jump on to the details of the model. NVIDIA PersonaPlex with real-time voice AI listen and speak simultaneously. Why traditional voice AI feels robotic? Because the pipeline speech, text, language model, text, speech. So basically, for speak, it gets converted to text. Then the language model applies the logic and gives an output. Then again, it gets converted to text and then it gets converted to speech. Very delayed responses. AI must wait for users to finish speaking. Conversation feels turn based and mechanical. Yes. In a common conversation, humans do interrupt each other, but that doesn't happen with voice AI. The rise of full duplex conversation. Full duplex means anyone can speak anytime and listen anytime. Immediate responses are there. Natural interruptions are there. Listening cues. Yeah, okay, natural fillers, and smoother flow is present. What PersonaPlex solves? It's full duplex. Custom voices can be added, custom roles can be added. You can add personas as we just saw for Mars to teacher to whatnot. And stable behavior is there. Perfect for education, customer support, interactive assistance. Full duplex explained simply like human conversation. Continuous updates are there, react instantaneously. You don't think. Handle interruptions, adjust mid conversation, and match emotional context too. One model instead of three. So usually what happens, you give a speech, get converted to text, text runs through LLM and then gets it again converted to speech. This is not happening here. PersonaPlex is just single unified model. What are the key benefits? Low latency, better coordination, natural timing, and fewer integration issues. How it builds a persona? So basically there are two things. There are two prompts that goes in. Voice prompt, that is a short audio sample, and text prompt, that role description that is going on. And this is how, using the combination of both, it creates multiple things, multiple personas. Consistency across long conversation. Role consistency maintains assigned character throughout the interaction. That is very important. Voice stability and emotional alignment is always there. What are the real world scenarios? Many. I just can't think of scenarios. Like, there are just too many use cases for this: banking and support, medical intake, casual conversations, teaching and tutoring, anything. Under the hood, it uses Moshi architecture. If you remember, Kyotai Moshi as a foundational model and 7B parameters. Audio gets converted to discrete tokens, transform processing, direct audio output, and helium based model, advanced language understanding. How PersonaPlex was trained? It is trained on two things: real human conversations and synthetic role basement. Models learn natural timing, back channeling, instruction following, and role specifications. Why it matters? No compromise required. Natural interaction meets full customization for developers, real time voice agents, flexible persona designs, and better use experiences for users. Responsive interaction. How to use? It's available on Hugging Face as shown. I hope you try this out. This looks to be a killer of a model, and NVIDIA has released something big. Thank you so much.